hanggang sa matamang na parang tayo'y mauubos sa kailan ng bilog ng buwan. Mga tiyan natin walang naman, ngunit kahit na walang pera, ang bawat kubikong saya. Ngunit ngayon, kay dilis maglaho ng kahapon, sana'y huwag kalimutan ang ating mga pinagsama. At kung sakaling bititin ay laging iisipin na minsan tayo ay naging tunay na magkaibigan. Minsan ay hindi mo na alam ang nangyayari kahit na anong gawin. Lahat ng bagay ay mayroong hanggan. Dahil ngayon, tayo ay kulimot ng kahapon. Di na matitilitan buhay ng ating pinagsamahan. Ngunit kung sakaling magkakaama ka, ikaw ay aking tawagan, dahil minsan tayo ay naging tunay na magkaibigan.
Huwag mo na isip. So easy, so sad. Don't try turning tables instead. You take a lot of chances before, but I ain't gonna give any more. Don't ask me how it goes, 'cause part of me knows what you're thinking. Don't say words you're gonna regret. Don't let fire rush to your head. I've heard the accusation before, and I ain't gonna take any more. Believe me, I saw in your eyes that some of the lies were believing. I am the eye in the sky, looking at you. I can read your mind. I am the maker of rules, dealing with fools. I can cheat you blind, and I don't need to see anymore to know that I can read your mind. 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 Don't leave false illusion behind. Don't cry, I am changing my mind. So find another wonderful like before. Cause I ain't gonna live anymore believing some of the lies, while I have the signs of deceiving. I am the eye in the sky, looking at you. I can read your mind. I am the maker of rules, dealing with fools. I can cheat you blind, and I don't need to see anymore to know that I can read your mind. 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 I am the eye in the sky, looking at you. I can read your mind. I am the maker of rules, even with fools. I can cheat you blind, and I don't need to see anymore to know that I can read your mind. 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 I am the eye in the sky, looking at you. I can read your mind. I am the maker of rules, dealing with fools. I can cheat you blind, and I don't need to see anymore to know that I can read your mind. I can read your mind. I can read your mind. I can read your mind.
Tekla.
Mas tekla. Tekla. Joke natin.
Tekla, tawag ka na dad.
Hoy! Hindi! Tita, dyan. Wait lang, wait lang. Wait lang yung sa isa. Babe, tomorrow's so far away.
Parang kayo na yan yun, no?
Something I just have to say. Hindi ah.
Eddie.
I don't think I could have what I'm feeling inside another day, knowing I love you. And I'm getting too close again. I don't wanna see it again. If I tell you tonight, we can turn out the light and walk away, knowing I love you. Wait lang, huwag mo na I'm gonna take you by surprise and make you realize I'm never. I'm gonna tell you right away, I can wait another day, Amanda. I'm gonna say it like a man and make you understand, Amanda. I love you. And I feel like today's the day, looking for the words to say. Do you wanna be free? Are you ready for me to feel this way? I don't wanna lose you. So, it may be too soon, I know, but it makes so long ago. If you tell me today, will you turn me away and let me go? I don't wanna lose you. Sige, pasok ako bukas eh.
Kala ko mapasok yan, Dad.
Online
Online.
dito. I'm gonna take you by surprise and make you realize, Amanda. I'm gonna tell you right away with another day, Amanda. I'm gonna say it like a man, make you understand, Amanda. Oh yeah. Ay, gusto mo po sa wallet? Wait lang, mamaya na, mawawala na yun.
Di yan mawawala, ano ka ba? Di yan mawawala, ano ka ba?
Gusto mong song sa wallet mo? Patapos natin, wag sa wallet. Sige naman kanina.
Ako ang kakanta.
You and Sige. I know that we can win. I swear it's not my girl. And tomorrow maybe today. You and I, girl. We can share a life together. It's now or never. And tomorrow maybe today. Go. Whoa. When feeling the way I do, ang taas ng boses mo. To say I'm in love with you.
Ba?
Sino mo mga pagkain?
Ba?
Mga pagkain nila yung sa tipo.
Alone again, naturally.
Yeah.
When you want from now, if I needed any lesson, I promise myself to treat to myself and visit a nearby town. Climbing to the top, throw myself up in an effort to make it clear to you. Everyone's like when you shine, you're standing in the lurch at a church when people say, my God, that stuff she's good enough. Your point is not remaining. They may as well go home. 'Cause I did on my own, alone again, naturally. Late early yesterday, I was fearful, crying again. Looking forward to the wooden doom, the role I was about to play. But asked it to knock me down. Reality came around, and without so much as a needed touch, tear me into pieces, leaving me to doubt. Talk about God in His mercy, who He really does exist. Why did He desert me in my army? In the end, indeed,
Alam ko.
naturally. Since I feel there are more hearts broken in the world that can be mended, left unattended. What do we do? What do we do? Oh,
Teka lang, nahanap ko nga eh.
sige, go ahead, birthday boy. Birthday na, boy pa. whatever else that appears. I remember I cried when my father died, never wishing to hide the tears. 65 years old, my mother, God rest her soul, couldn't understand why the only man she had ever loved had been taken, leaving her to start with a heart so badly broken. Despite encouragement for me, the words forever broken. And when she passed away, I died all day, alone again, naturally.
Oh, may kanta ka!
Ay, meron na kayo.
Alone again, naturally. Tingnan nyo guys, ha? Tingnan nyo. Oh. Ay, nakakatuwa. Oh, me. Okay.
Paprika. Toto.
Ano to? Toto lang. Ano to? Ay!
Paprika.
Toto! May toto po. Apika. Apikano. Here comes echoing tonight. She's only whispers of some quiet dirty boy. She's coming in the very flight. The moonlit wings reflect the stars that go to some station. I stopped an old man along the way, hoping to find so long forgotten words or ancient melodies. He turned to me as if to say, "Hurry up, boy, he's waiting there for you. Gonna take a lot to drive me away from you. There's nothing I would love more than ever do. I miss the rains down in Africa. Gonna take some time to do the things you never had." Ooh. Ano pa nililo ko? Nililo ko pa ayos? I goes cry out in the night. Paayos. As they grow restless, longing for themselves company. Sige, kaya mo lang. I know that I must do what's right. Sure as Kilimanjaro rises like Olympus at the Sagiri. I seek to cure what's deep inside, fighting all this thing that I become. Gonna take a love to drive me away from you. There's none that 100 men or more can ever do. I'm just the rains down in Africa. Gonna take some time to do the things I never had. Ooh.
Yeah.
Ayun mo, England Dan, John Fortuli, our songs.
Ito ah. Apa?
Hurry up, boy, she's waiting there for you. Gonna take a long to drive me away from you. There's nothing 100 men or more can ever do. I bless the rains down in Africa. I bless the rains down in Africa. I bless the rains. Oh, bless the rains. ni Angkor Africa.
Puro mga ano yun. Parang mga puro black people doon.
Ay, hindi pala si Rolly pa yun. Rolly, punta ka sa Africa. Tapos ako punta ko sa ano, sa Canada.
Puro mga ano to. Puro mga hindi. Puro mga ano.
Punta ko sa Canada. Punta ko sa Canada. Canadian.
Yun.
Oh, wait, patay ko ba eh? Oh, iso ko.
Our soft ego. Pwede mo kantayin mo yan ha, hindi pwede man o.
Hindi ko alam yan.
Practice lang!
Hindi ko alam yan. Tsaka ano, ang hirap yan.
I'm England Dan guys, and this was John Ford Coley, the birthday boy.
Kailangan ng part.
Ha?
Kailangan ng part.
Yeah.
Morning clouds are gathering around as I stand on the bridge of the river. Years have gone since I was here, and I'm wondering how I'm different. Taxi cabs keep rolling by, and a bad man asks for change. Here I stand, a soldier in the rain. Coming home was all I thought of, seeing my family and friends. They say love knows no distance, but the longing never ends. And all along the dreams I possess, my heart never went to plain. Here I stand, a soldier in the rain. I remember years ago, Elmo has many plans. Now watch the river flow, time has brought me here. With John Elmo's hands, I remember years ago, I had so many plans. Now watch the river flow, time has brought me here. With empty hands.
Please, minta.
Ay, andun po sa kusina.
Morning clouds are gathering around, and the streets are full of reflection. Traffic light and the moon still bright, people going different directions. I thought about why I'm here, it's just too hard to explain. And here I stand, a soldier in the rain. In the rain. In the rain. In the rain. Dr. mo, recap to, recap. Recap ng kanta din sa dalawa na to. I saw the morning, it was shattered by a gun. Heard him scream, saw him fall, no one cried. I saw a mother, she was praying for her son. Bring him back, let him live, don't let him die. Do you ever ask yourselves, there heaven in the sky, why can't we get it right? Cause we all live under the same sun. We all walk under the same moon, yeah. And why can't we live as one? I saw the evening fading shadows one by one. We watched the lamb laid out to sacrifice. I saw the children of the sun, how they wept, how they bled, how they died. We live under the same sky. We all look up at the same stars, yeah. That's why can we live as one? Tira ka? Pakilabero! Set! Alam ko lang kung paano gawin to. Parang ano lang eh. Pinakabit lang dito sa ano. Pag inipit ko to,
Okay, yun nga eh.
wait lang, kunin ko to.
Wala.
Try ko lang.
Hindi ka sa akin eh.
Ha?
Kasi hindi yung ginagawa ko eh.
Ay, sige na eh. Next mo eh. Kanta pa ako tuloy.
Ako mo dyan.
When I see you on the streets, I lose my concentration. Just the thought that we might meet, it is anticipation. Won't you look my way once before you go? And my eyes will say what you wanna know. But I've been thinking about you day and night, and I don't know if it'll work out right. But somehow I think that just might, if we try. Faces come and faces go in circle rotation.
Hi!
13 years waiting to grow beyond infatuation. Don't you look my way once before you go, and my eyes will say what you wanna know. When you got me turning deaf and blind, 'cause I see now it's just a state of mind, and who knows that it will be mine if we try. You're walking a different direction from most people I met. You're giving me signs of action, don't usually get. I don't want to press your future, the future's not yours to give. Just stand there a little longer and watch while you live. As I see you on the streets, I lose your concentration. Just the thought that we might meet, I lose anticipation. Won't you look my way once before you go, and my eyes will say what you wanna know. But I've been thinking about you day and night, and I don't know if it'll work out right. And somehow I think that it just might, if we try. Somehow I think that it just might, if we try. Yes, somehow I think that it just might, if we try. Pero 85 sa'yo?
Low. Di na muli oras kapag iyaan mo itas matawag mo hanggang bukas di mababawi muli. Hey! Nakamusapimos ka sa dalim, ikukuki aking piling. Lumipas na di man nagkasabi, salamat hanggang sa muli. Ang daming bagay na hindi naman kailangan. Kung pwede lang mawasan natin ang mga tampuhan. Hindi mo lang alam, hindi mo pa nararanasan. Kaya mo sarili, hindi mo na pinahirapan. Walang sabi ko sa sarili. Mahal kita hanggang sa uli. Mahal ko 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 hanggang sa uli.
Okay na yun.
So, basta kasi.
Nakastop?
Oo.
Kinuha ka naman.
Ako yung babakas. Eh, sabi ko niya eh.
Tandang, nawal na naputol.
Ano ba yan?
Ang mundo.
Lala mo?
Oo.
Patay.
Tapos paano kasi pinano ko eh, yung bag ko eh, kanina eh. Pag bumalik kami sa elementary, tapos nabalik,
Mamaya
On the desert highway,
Diyan mo lang lagay ha.
pulling my hair. One smell of fragrance rising up to the air.
ayusin mo naman.
Ayusin mo.
Up ahead in the distance,
Bakit
I
nagsasasi
saw
ka?
a shimmering light. Wala nga, hindi mo.
flying a good and
Lagay yung boses ko.
I had to stop from that. Ay, kumaka na kaya?
Tos.
Then she stood in the doorway. Ayaw!
Doorway!
Diane Nation Bell.
Ting, ting, ting.
And I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. How I left her candle, since she's out in the rain. We dancing to the downward door. I never heard them say, welcome to the altar, California, baby. Such a lovely place. Such a lovely place. Stay alone at the altar. Wala. Any time of year, you can find me here. You find me something twisted. You got a Mercedes Benz. You got a lot of pretty boys.
If she goes stop, I'll be there in the corridor. Sweet summer sweet. Some things to remember, some things to forget. So I call her the captain. Please bring me my wine. We haven't had the spirit here since 1969. And the gospel is are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, welcome to the offer, wala California, so for naman. Such a lovely place. Such a lovely place. Living up at the hotel ay mawala sa Pilipinas. What a nice surprise. In your advice. Mirrors on the ceiling. The picture may all nice. We are all just prisoners here of our own device. In the master chambers, they gather for the feast. They started with their daily nights, but they just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, I was studying for the door. I had to find the passage back to the place I was before. Well, I said the night man, you're programmed to receive. You can check out any time you like, but you can never leave.
Sino po kumanta nun?
Siri mo. Hindi na papasin ako?
Okay, ayos mo yan.
Oh, come on, give me that! No! 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 Di boys na din ba? How can I just let you walk away? Just let you leave without a trace. When I said you're taking every breath with you. Ooh, you're the only one who really need it all. How can you just walk away from me when all I can do is watch you leave? 'Cause we shared the laughter and the pain, and even shared the tears. You're the only one who really mean it all. So take a look at me now, 'cause there's just an empty space. There's nothing left here to remind me. Just a memory on your face. So take a look at me now, 'cause there's just an empty space. You're nothing left to me. It's against the odds, and that's why I got to pray. I wish I could just stare to turn around. Turn around and see me cry. There is what I need to say to you. So many reasons why you're the other one who really know me at all. But take a look at me now. It's just an empty space. What's on my voice has to remind me? Just a memory of your face. Just take a look at me now. Stop, just an empty space. What to wait for you is all I can do. Mais ka, mais ka. Take a look at me now. Hindi mo talaga. Yan na nga.
Lutong bahay muna. Lutong bahay, request ni Tito Dan.
Ang mga ano mo.
Tapos na po yun. Ay po.
Ang takot ko mo ulit ko si Mendoza. Sa panggampi, sasampalin kita. Alam mo ah.
Teka, ngayon ko lang ginawa ito. Yung
Walang pake.
kaya pag sa birthday
Walang
mo.
kape. Nag-grampis ka pa. Galing mo talagang bata ka. Ay, nako, Bambi. Hindi! Tumahimik ka. Sit.
Nakakita na kayo.
Naggara! Nagbibigay kasi ako eh!
Ha?
Kaya!
Ha? Yung...
Asan na ba?
Oh,
Asan na?
Ito na nga po eh, lutong bahay. Sana yun, lutong bahay. Ito, 5504.
5, 5, 0, 4.
cooking na alam mo.
I love you, mami.
Pwede naman ang...
Hello.
Okay talaga ang luto ng iyong ina. Ako'y ganado sa cooking ng ina mo. Maging pancake sa umaga, kape sa gabi. Di ako aatras kasi ubod ang sarap ng cooking ng ina mo. Cooking ng ina mo. Laging mahusay ang ulam niyo sa bahay. Naluto ng iyong inay.
I love you, mami!
Pinalakaling sa tanghali. Merienda niyo'y sinigang na ube.
Siya na ube?
Kakaibang mga sangkap, kaya ubod ng sarap. Putahin ang ina mo. Putahin ang ina mo. Naghihirap kong gagawin upang makakain sa inyo. Ako'y lalaya sa amin basta't makatikim ng cooking ng ina mo. Cooking ng ina mo. Ang sarap ng cooking ng ina mo. Napakasarap ng cooking ng ina mo.
Dapat yung dapat ano, mo, dapat...
Hoy, kanyon, guys!
Hoy! Hoy!
Hoy, hoy, hoy.
Hoy!
Hoy, 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 hoy. Next.
Stop. Ano? Papakanta ako sa'yo.
Ano? Oh. Eh, ano yun? Used to laugh, we used to cry, we used to bow our heads and wonder why. But now you're gone, I guess I'll carry on and make the best of what you left to me. Left to me,
start it all again. You know I need you. Like the winter needs the spring. You know I need you. I need you. And every day I love the hours away. Just knowing you were thinking of me. And when it came that I was looking vain, every story told about me. About me, about me. I need you, like the flower needs the rain. You know I need you. It's time to start it all again. You know I need you. I need you. I need you. Like the winter needs the spring, you know I need you. Yes, I'll start it all again, you know I need you. I need you. I need you.
Ayun, wala na yun.
Ha?
Wala na.
Alin?
Tapos na. Punta.
Ano ginawa mo?
May nahanap kasi ako. Alam mo ba na to? Ano yun?
Ano?
Ito yun eh.
Ah, yung ano, the one lang ba?
No. No, it's not.
Ayoko niyan! Ayoko. No. No. No.
Run at home, man!
Huwag na yun! Buisit! Alam ko na kung ano kakantay ko.
Ano? The one you love.
Yung sabi ko eh! Yung sabi ko eh! Tamas niya sabi mo eh! Kaya pala eh!
Pa.
Search is... Nasiri mo. Nasiri mo.
Run at home!
Okay, meron kang charger ng Android, yung Android dati. Meron ka? Meron charger ng Android.
1, 7,
Meron kasi
6, 8.
Patay tayo dyan. I know you need a friend, someone you can talk to, who will understand what you're going through. When it comes to love, there's no easy answer. Only you can say what you're gonna do. Heard you on the phone, you took his number, said you were not home, but you'll call him soon. Isn't he the guy who let you cry? Isn't he the one who make you blue? Uy, teka, teka, yeah. When you remember those nights in his arms, you know you gotta make up your mind. Iniwan mo yung songbook. Iniwan mo yung songbook mo. Are you gonna stay the one who loves you?
Are you going back to the one you love? Hey! Someone's gonna cry when they know they lost you. Someone's gonna think the stars above. Ah! Right! What you gonna say when he comes over? There's no easy way to see he's through all the broken dreams, all the disappointment. Oh girl, what you gonna do? Your heart keeps saying it's just not fair, but still you gotta make up your mind. Are you gonna stay with the one who loves you? Are you going back to the one you love? Someone's gonna cry and they know they lost you. Someone's gonna thank the stars above.
Yan. Sus!
Grabe ka! Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Remember me, the one who is there. And she was a true love of mine. Tell her to make me every sure. I see sage, rosemary, and thyme. Without no seams nor needy work, then she'll be a true love of mine. Tell her to find me an acre of land. Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Between the salt water and the sea strand, and she'll be a true love of mine. Tell her to read the secret of letter.
Apa.
Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. other, then she'll be a true love of mine. Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Are these seashells merry and fine? Remember me, the one who lives there. And she was a true love of mine.
Ilan taon yung after mo ano?
Ano?
Ilan taon yung after mo?
Tita Dang, ilang taon na daw po yung ano ko, yung hamster?
4 months.
4 months na.
Dati gumagana yung hamster namin eh.
Ano nangyari?
Wala na.
Bakit namatay?
Ewan ko dun. Pati yung isda namin, yung fish po, wala na rin. Nagkarni. Ano pala ako, mga peaceful pa ako nila mo.
There's no comfort in the truth, and it's all you find.
Ah!
I feel so unsure. Take your hands and lead you to the dance floor. As the music dies, something in your eyes calls to mind the silver screen. I know it's sad goodbye. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty fear, I got no rhythm. Though it's easy to pretend. I know you're not a fool. Sure enough, no, they're keep a friend. And waste the chance that I've been given. So I'm never gonna dance again. The way that's with you. Oh. Time can never mend. Yeah, it's perfect good friend to the heart and mind. Ignorance is kind. There's no comfort in the truth. Pain is all you find. Never gonna dance again. Guilty feet, I've got no rhythm. Thought it's easy to pretend. I know you're not a fool. Sure no better cheer a friend and waste this chance that I've been given. So I'm never gonna dance again the way I dance with you. Oh, oh.
somehow. I wish that we could lose this crowd. Memories better than this way. We heard each other the things we say. We could have been so good together. We could have lived this dance forever. But no one's gonna dance with me. Please stay. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feeling got no rhythm. But easy to pretend. I know you're not a fool. Should I never cheat a friend and waste the chance that I've been given? So I'm never gonna dance again the way I dance with you. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone, why I did so wrong that you had to leave me alone. La 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 la.
Ano? Anong actions yan? Grabe, narinunood, ha?
Sipa-sipa.
Terminology mo.
Sipa-sipa. Relay.
Life it seems slips away just like daydream. All I want is all I need. Still I ask for more. Sing, why is it so? Wait, wait, don't let me know. Every time I see you, my life turns upside down. Every time I see you, I know. Life it seems slips away just like daydream. I fail to see these memories mean so
Ay, teka.
much to
Hoy, nakupas.
say, why is it so? Wait, wait, don't let me know. Every time I see you, my life turns upside down. Try so hard to find out how to make you come back. But even if I told you, I can hold you again. Every time I see you, I know.
Ito. You mean this? Kaya nagtadi, huwag ka mag-antify dyan. Kung hindi bumalik. Sige ka. Minions, mag-ubad na kayo. Samayin ko siya mo, our minion of underwear.
Every time I see you, my life turns upside down. Try so hard to find out how to make you come back. But even if I told you, I can't hold you again. Every time I see
you, I know. Every time I see you, my life turns upside down. Every time I see you, I know. Every time I see you, I know. Every single time. Every time I see you, I know. Every single time. Every time I see you, I know. I know. I know. Every time I see you, I know. When I see you, babe. Every time I see you, I know. Every single time. Every time I see you, I know.
May mga brother sa PUK.
Ano ba sa PTM?
Ano?
Ano balita? Ay, nasaan din may pasapay, di ba? Wala? Bakit?
Tapos na.
Ha? Hindi yun? Ay, siya nga pala. Oh! Get ready! Where? By the moon and the stars in the sky. And I swear, like a shadow that's by your side. I see the questions in your eyes. I know what's weighing on your mind. But you can sure I know my part. Cause I stand by you through the year. You only cry those happy tears. And now that these days, I'll never break your heart. And I say, by the moon and the stars in the sky, I'll be there. And I swear, like a shadow that's by your side, I'll be there. For better or worse, the day to us part. I love you in everything I matter. Hooray! I give you everything I can. I'll be your dream with these two hands. We'll hang some memories on the wall. And when just the two of us are there, you wanna if I still care. Cause as the time turns the day, my double nation on. Friday, by the moon and the stars in the sky, I'll be there. I swear, like a shadow that's by your side, I'll be there. For better or worse, to get to a spot, I love you with everything that matters. Hooray! Bangladesh. you with every bit of my alright.
Oh, nato. Kaya, underwear.
Okay, alam nyo na ha. May brief by Elmo Reyes.
Underwear. Underwear, sorry.
Grabe ka. Good ba din mo? Grabe ka ha. I started a joke. We started the whole world crying. But I didn't see that a joke was on me. Oh no, I started to cry. We started the whole world laughing. Oh, if I only see that a joke was on me. I look at the skies, running my hands over my eyes, and I get out of bed, hurting my head from things that I said. Till I finally died, we started the whole world living. Oh, if I only see that a joke was on me. I look at the skies, running my hands over my eyes, and I get out of bed, hurting my head from things that I said. Did I finally die? We started the whole world living. Oh, if I don't see that a joke was on me. Oh no, that a joke was on me. Oh no, no. Okay ka lang, Elmo. Para na mamatay ka ata. Stop. Nais kong magpakalasing dahil wala ka na. Nakatingin sa salamin at nag-iisa. Nakatanim pa rin ang gumamelang binalik o sa akin nang tayo'y maghiwalay. Ito'y patuloy ng damdamin ko kahit buhusa mo ng beer ayaw pang mamatay. Lahat ng ito'y nawala nung iniwan mo ko. Kaya ngayon, ibuhos na ang beer sa aking lalamunan upang malunod na ang puso ko nahihirapan. Bawat patak, ano sarap, ano ba talagang mas gusto ko? Ang beer na to o ang pag-ibig mo? Nais kong magpakasabong dahil lolas ako. Kahit anong tititin, kahit tambucho, kukuha ko ng gift at ipapakulo sa kalderot lang ang aking usok nito. Lahat ay ating gagawin upang hindi ko naisipin nag-iisa lang ako. Ibuhos na ang beer sa aking lalamunan upang malunod na ang puso kong nahihirapan. Bawat patak, anong sarap, ano ba talagang mas gusto ko? Ang di na to o ang pag-ibig mo. Iliw, huwag mong sana limutin ang mga araw na hindi sana naglaho. Mga nakagmay natin tinaplano. Lahat ng ito'y nawala nung iniwan mo ko. Kaya ngayon, ibuhos na ang beer sa aking lalamunan upang malunod na ang puso kong nahihirapan. Anong sarap, ano ba talagang mas gusto ko? Ang beer na to, ang beer na to, ang beer na to o ang pag-ibig mo.
Mami, bakit po
Oh, yeah, a holiday, such a holiday. Oh, yeah, a holiday, such a holiday. It's something I think's worthwhile if the puppet makes you smile. If not, then you're throwing stones, throwing stones, throwing stones. Ooh, it's a funny game. Don't believe dice are the same. And think what I just said. Put the soft pillow on my head. Millions of eyes can see, yet why am I so blind? If life else is me, it's unkind, it's unkind. Millions of eyes can see, yet why am I so blind? And what else is me? It's unkind, it's unkind. Ooh, you're holiday, every day such a holiday. Now it's my turn to sing, and I say you're a holiday. It's something I think's worthwhile if the puppet makes you smile. If not, then you're throwing stones, throwing stones, throwing stones. Dee 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 dee. Nobody gets too much heaven no more. It's much harder to come back. I'm waiting in line. Nobody gets too much heaven no more. It's as high as the mountain and harder to climb. Oh, got a lot of love and stuff. And it close to you, and it close to me. And I love you so much more than my love. I can see it go on forever. Everything we own will never die. Love is such a beautiful thing. Oh, you make my world a summer day. Are you just a dream to fade away? Nobody gets too much heaven or much sleep. I'm tired and down, but I'm waiting in line. Nobody gets too much love anymore. I'll wake up at night and wait, and the tears we have to cry. You're my love. I can see you through tomorrow. Every time we go, we'll never die. Love is such a beautiful thing. All that you need from life, but made for us to see. So precious love, nobody else too much heaven no more. It's much harder to come by. I'm waiting in line. Nobody gets too much love anymore. It's much higher from mountain and harder to climb. Love is such a beautiful thing. A summer day, all you just to hear. Say the much heaven no more. Yes, much harder to come by. I'm waiting in line. Nobody gets much to love. Yes, as hard as a river and harder to climb. Nobody gets too much heaven no more. It's much harder to come by. I'm waiting in line. Nobody gets too much love anymore. It's as high as the mountain and harder to climb. Nobody gets too much heaven no more. It's much harder to come by. I'm waiting in line. Nobody gets too much love anymore. It's as high as a mountain and harder to climb. Okay guys, this is the last song, by the way, and this will be the last one. And then after this, I'm going to stop this like. So here we go, the last one. And thank you for watching. And then shout out, Sherman, how are you? There is a house in your hands. They call the rising sun. It's been the ruin of many of our boys. And God, I know I'm one. My mother was a tailor. Ano pa yung taste mo? Soon my new, here's my blue jeans. Yan pagalan mo. My father was a gambler down in New Orleans. Kasi punta ka sa New Orleans, tapay ka na blue jeans na pagkaroon. Kasi, ako na hindi ko yun. Nasaan mo yan? The only thing a gambler needs is to get and a crown. The only time he's satisfied is when he's on the drum.
Father, tell the children not to do what I have done. Spend your life in sin and misery in the house of the rising sun. Like one fool on the platform, the other fool on the train. I'm going back to New Orleans to wear that ball and chain.
Pawin na yung pagkain natin. Pawin na yung pagkain natin. Pagkain naman yan mo.
Kaya ito may natira. Maring ano, makaroon.
Yun lang?
Egg na.
Yun lang? Walang chicken?
Sige. Teka.
Hindi mo ah.
Thank God, I know.
Ano pa yung patasin lang na ano? Bakit lang pala? Hindi kita lang saan? Kita lang saan? And yan guys, tapos yan lang, that is my last song. Thank you for shout outs. And I hope you guys have a great day. And Elmo, say happy birthday. Happy birthday, Elmo. Happy birthday. So guys, today is Elmo's birthday. So good. So take care. Good night. God bless. And have a safe dreams, everyone.
Peace!
Peace.